We want our men to be clean, to be on top of their hygiene this year, smelling good, looking good, all the things.
Let me introduce you to the Manscaped Performance Package 5.0 Ultra. First and foremost is the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra.
Game changer for grooming, and the updated trimmer blade slices through hair like a breeze.
Simply pop off the initial razor and snap on the new one, and now you've got something that's going to give you an even closer shave.
It's waterproof, has SkinSafe technology, and it also has a bigger LED light.
And let's not forget the Weed Whacker 2.0, which is perfect for trimming those unruly nose and ear hairs.
The package also includes the crop preserver to eliminate stanky wiener, as well as an aftershave lotion to ensure that rashes or bumps won't occur.
And you know Manscaped always comes through with not one, but 2 free gifts.
One being the Boxers 2.0, as well as the brand new travel bag.
You're literally getting everything you need in a one-stop shop. In my opinion, this is the perfect thing to buy.